oneownercarguy.com. It's just a real quick video. I got all kinds of classics. That truck is nice. But all kinds of old classic rigs and stuff. I got this one. This is going to be coming up soon with a review. All kinds of old Trans Ams, all kinds of old stuff. This here is a really nice car though. It's 41,000 miles on it. And it's a Euro edition gray market car. And I found a new option on it. Not a new option. It's a very old option. And I've just not ever known what it does. And don't know that I've ever seen one. But I'm getting old. I can't remember what I haven't seen in life. But this little 500 SEC, I hope I didn't see SEL on the other one. I did. I think I did. It's in SEL. So look at this. You gotta see this. This is just absolutely gorgeous. There's 41,000 miles on this car. Look at the wheel. What does that tell you? Damn. So gorgeous. This is what I want to know what it is. It says AUF on it. Off. I don't get it. Is it? I don't know. It's on the trunk, man. I don't get it. What the heck is this? Somebody tell me. So throw in the comments below and let me know what the heck you think that is. And if you need an old Trans Am, give me a call. I'm only letting go of a couple more of them, and then I'm going to start restoring them. This will be up soon, and the white truck just went up. I got a green one over here that's coming up. That Saab is looking absolutely gorgeous. And the Monte Carlo is done. I got to mess around with the trunk, and then video of that will be up next week, I think. So that's what we got. This is Chevy, and worst thing on this is we have stickers on it, and they blew down the side when we were blowing them off. Took all the clear coat right off. Don't know what I'm going to do on that, but the Saab is turning out nice, man. Look at that. If you remember when it came in, you remember that this thing wasn't shiny at all. Looking a lot better. And I've been messing around. The bumper was messed up, so I've actually used a heat gun to get everything facing down. And this one, I don't like that bend right there, but there ain't much I can do about it. I guess I could take it off and try and reform it from the back. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on it. I'm just gonna use a filler in here. I'm gonna get that down a little bit too. I'm gonna use a filler in here and kind of get that worked out and paint it. So that's that. Thanks for watching. Let me know what the heck that piece of thing is in there. And subscribe, like, comment. There's lots of videos on here.